Hey Beauty Squad, it's your girl TT, LaTanya Kristina. Welcome to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season because it is in full effect mode at this point. I actually love the holidays. I love the summer better or more simply because my birthday is in August. But I love the holidays and I love all that it encompasses. But today I'm bringing you a review of the new Huda Beauty Power Bullet Metallic Lipsticks. Now, I love metallic lipsticks, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying these out with you guys because the one metallic lipstick I've been using a lot and I spoke of in the last of my couple of videos is this Too Faced matte metallic lipstick in I Wanna Rock With You. I love this color and I probably should go back and get another one because I wear it almost every day. I just love this color. So that's why I'm looking forward to trying these three that Huda Beauty just came out with. The colors are After Party, Cake Day, and NYE, which I'm guessing stands for New Year's Eve. So we're going to try these together. I already have a full face of makeup ready to go. Just need some lipstick to cap it all off. But before we get started with the review and the swatches of the new Power Bullet lipsticks from Huda, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know you're watching, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you know when TT's videos have been uploaded. So let's just get this party started. And please don't forget to like and comment as well too. So let's get this party started. All right, so I got some swatches for you guys. So we're just going to jump right into this. And as I was looking at them, the first one that I'm going to try is Cake Day. And I've already lined my lips with Night Moth Lip Pencil from MAC. And so we have Cake Day here. We have After Party, because after the show is the after party, and after the party is the hotel lobby. And then this last one here is NYE. So Cake Day is definitely a pinkish kind of color, you know, really kind of bright, iridescent there. And then, let's see, After Party is definitely kind of in the purple family here. You know, they're really shimmery, really glittery, really, you know, metallic. And then the last one here, New Year, or I'm just calling it New Year's Eve, but NYE, it's kind of a rusty brown burgundy color. Very, very pretty. They all swatch very well. I wonder how they're going to go on, if you're gonna feel like the glitter in them. Let's just try Cake Day here. I mean, this is a pink shimmery color here. I mean, that is really pink and shimmery. And the packaging on these are really cute because when you really look at it, you know, the color of top here and how it just kind of fades into a darker color is the color of the actual lipstick. And it's the same on, you know, on all of them. So that actually is, you know, kind of cute. So let's just try Cake Day here. I'm a little worried about this one because it's pink. And I'm not much of a pink kind of girl, but we're going to try it. So let's see how it going. Okay. Goes on well. And it is really, it's bright. And mainly, you know, I don't wear a lot of brights. So especially like this bright lipstick, it's bright, it's pretty. I'm glad I mixed it with that pencil to kind of give it some, you know, extra dimension there. I like it. Let's just try the others. Yeah, let's just try the others and we'll see. All right, for the next two, I'm just going to go with a neutral pencil. So I'm going to use my KKW Nude 2 pencil, which I absolutely love this pencil. And I'll tell you, to get, I mean, there's still some glitter left. I had to actually go grab a makeup remover wipe to get it off. So, you know, they definitely appear to be long wearing is what I'm going to say, but we'll see. All right, so let's go on with After Party, our second one here, our one in the middle. And let's see how this goes on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I like this one. I do like this one. This is, how do I just, this is a fuchsia purple, something in the amethyst family for this one, I would say. And it is really pretty. And I'm glad I went with a new pencil for this one, because that's, again, you know, you kind of want to go with that. I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. But this is pretty. This one's pretty. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. Right, let's go back in with the... All right, let's go back in with the new 2 pencil from KKW for our third and final one. Glitter everywhere. Everywhere. All right. As I said before, if you haven't tried the KKW, you know, her lip pencils are actually really, really nice. I'll give her that much. They're nice and creamy, and they go on well. All right, so here's our final one, NYE. Maybe the third one will be the charm. So let's see. Let's get a little more here. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's, you know, what's interesting is you can kind of, you know, feel maybe some of the glitter going on. Not a bad thing. It's just kind of, if you pay attention to it, you know, kind of deal. I messed that up. Yeah, I'm going to say I did it again. Okay. I'm going to say this is my favorite one. The last one, the third one is... See, it's just glitter everywhere. Yeah, I'm going to say the third one, NYE, is my favorite one of the 3. And I tell you, I believe right now she only offers 3. And they're 18 or 20 bucks a piece, which is about normal or right for lipstick these days. I think a MAC lipstick is like 18 or 19 bucks. So it's, you know, definitely in line with that. But I love this one. This is the third one here. This kind of rusty burgundy one. Yeah, this is nice. And could be because I tend to gravitate to a lot of darker colors on the lips. I will every now and then wear a nude lip, yes. But like a pink or something like that, you won't really catch me on those too often. But I really, really love this one. If I had to rank them, new NYE would be first, and then After Party, because after the show was the After Party, and then Cake Day, which was that pink one that was a little too pink for me, which is why, again, I went to go with that current color type of pencil for it. But, you know, again, I like them all, you know, in a different capacity. I would probably wear, you know, this one. It's pink for me. If my face was, you know, very toned down, I'd go with that so my lip would shine bright like a diamond. But New Year's Eve is definitely the one. So that's my favorite. And I like them. Would I recommend them? Yes, absolutely. I would. They're not bad. I'm definitely going to see how they wear. But they go on very smooth and velvety. Again, you can kind of feel the glitter, the metallic in it. Not bad. It's just if you're really paying attention like me, you know, you can really feel that. But not bad at all. I like them. I would recommend it. And depending on if you're a pink girl, you go with Cake Day. You know, my purple fuchsia ones, you go with After Party. And then those who love a deep lip like I do, you go with New Year's Eve. And I think actually, you know, New Year's Eve or NYE actually looks good with my makeup today, because I have on the Brown Sugar Karuchi Tran palette on my eyes today. So, and I love this palette. I've said it, I reviewed this, I bought the collection. I love it, and I use everything in this collection. So with all of the collaborations and new makeup coming out all the time, some of it I'm just kind of like, I'll pass, and I'm just using, you know, some of the palettes and the lip products, you know, that I already have. So because nothing has really caught my eye, but you know, there's been a couple things, but nothing that has really caught my eye to the point where I'm kind of like, I should get that. But anyway, I hope you guys like my review of the Huda Beauty, the Power Bullet metallic lipsticks, and I really like them, and I'm glad they're not matte. Mattes are fine, but they can also be very drying. But, you know, like I said, you know, these go on, you know, very smooth, very creamy. I would definitely recommend them. So let me know what you guys think. If you're going to go pick them up, you know, there's, you know, they're in Sephora, online. I don't know if they're in store yet, but I know they're definitely online. So let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to like and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will definitely do my best to make that happen. So until next time, LaTanya Kristina TT is out.